Wait a minute. Brownstown, we're vacuuming before we even do the intro? Holy moly! If you're new, hit the subscribe button right now, hit the notification bell and the all option inside the notification bell so you won't miss a video! Hey, are you subscribed to Brownstown, Brown's Professional Carpet Care on YouTube? If not, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell and the all option so you definitely will not miss a post. Brownstown, I love you, and please subscribe right now.
Brownstown.
Dre,
Brown's Professional Carpet Care. You're tuned into the vlog of the day. And also, right across the street over there, it's another one of my clients that I recently did a couple of months ago. But Brownstown, we're here on the job of the day. As you already seen, the crazy vacuum. Like,
wait a minute. Brownstown, we're vacuuming before we even do the intro?
Holy moly!
But you seen it was a great vacuum. They vacuumed, and they just vacuumed the floors yesterday, guys. But the workhorse is king.
Holy moly!
We can see exactly what we got out of the floors today. Let me turn this around. Bam! Look at that. Holy moly! Hey, holy moly! That was a good vacuum too, guys. Holy moly! Look at that. Look at that. Let's see where it lines up at. Perfect. Holy moly. Look at that, Brown. Look at that. Holy moly.
Follow us on Instagram. At Brownstown.
Follow us on Instagram.
Follow us on Instagram.
Brownstown.
Oh. Holy moly.
What am I doing, Brownstown?
All my Brownstown vets, please
Smash.
the thumbs up right now. We're going to go in. You already see what we got to do. Living room, flights of stairs, bedroom, and a hallway, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you for subscribing. Tuning in, all my Brownstown vets.
I love you all so much. And let's get on to the rest of the cleaning. Got a commercial job right after this, and also another returning client after that.
So 3 on the books for today.
Holy moly!
Yes, I almost forgot.
It's warping time! Dude, this is the first area, but you guys already seen it because I vacuumed. First area here. Stairs, look at that. Stairs down. There's traffic area here. Bedroom and a hallway upstairs, guys. Holy moly.
Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. Brownstown. Follow us on Instagram.
See the difference. Holy moly. Holy moly. All right, Brownstown, almost finished this vlog. First job of the day, guys. First job, then I got a commercial job next, and then another residential right after that. But that's what I have left. As you can see, the carpets came out amazing, and that's what's left, guys. Holy moly. Brownstown, I love you. Woo! Now look at that. Holy moly. Now, this comes to the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog of the day. So Brownstown, I'm very blessed. I'm very, very thankful, guys. I just want to say I hope that you guys are blessed. I hope you guys are thankful and grateful because we're still here, guys. Even though we may have lost family members, lost friends, I just pray that everybody who is going through grieving at this point, I just pray for your well-being, guys. I pray for your family, guys. I just pray for you. And I just hope you just stay blessed, stay diligent, and always make somebody else smile, and always find the positivity out of everything, Brownstown. With that being said, I love you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. Brownstown, I love you.
But wait, chocolate milk.
Holy moly!
Let's see what's getting under the floor. Oh, yeah. Holy moly. Ooh. Holy moly.
Wow, 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 whoa! That's what I call for chocolate milk. Happy Thanksgiving, gravy! Hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button right now.